Are you experiencing strict drift on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to fix the issue. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method 1. Clean the analog sticks. Stick drift on a PS5 controller refers to an issue where the analog stick moves on its own even when you are not touching it. This can cause your character or cursor to move unintentionally, making it difficult to play games accurately. To fix this, you can start with cleaning the analog sticks. Power off your controller and use a soft, dry cloth to gently clean around the analog sticks. Avoid using any liquids or cleaning solutions. Sometimes foreign substances can accumulate on the base of the analog stick or button, causing issues with their performance. To resolve this, use a gentle cloth to remove any dirt from the base of the analog stick or button. Ensure that you carefully clean the area to avoid any damage to the controller. You can use a can of compressed air to blow around the analog stick base. Rotate the stick while spraying to dislodge debris trapped inside. This method is effective for removing fine particles that interfere with the potentiometer. Method 2. Reset the controller. The next thing you can do is reset the controller. To do that, turn on your PS5 controller. If it's unresponsive, you can leave it on. Turn the controller over and find the small hole next to the Sony logo. Use a small tool like a paper clip or a pin to press and hold the button inside the hole for about 5 seconds. Use a USB-C cable to connect your controller to the console. Press the PlayStation button to turn it on. Now check. Method 3. Update the system software. Make sure your PS5 system software is up to date. To do that, navigate to PS5 settings, go to System, then select System Software. Select System Software Update and Settings. Then select Update System Software and then select Update using Internet. Follow the on-screen instructions to download and install the latest update file. Method 4. Extend your analog stick's lifespan. To extend the lifespan of the analog stick, use gentle, deliberate movements when using the analog stick to prevent wear and tear, extending its lifespan. Periodically, rotate the analog sticks in full circles to evenly distribute wear and delay drift. Keep controllers in a clean, dry place away from direct sunlight and extreme temperature. Use protective cases or covers to protect them from dust and debris. Method 5. Contact Sony support. If none of the above steps work, you may need to contact Sony support for further assistance or to send in your controller for repair. Make sure to have your warranty cards available if it's still within the warranty period. The support link is provided in the description below. And there you have it, the methods to fix the issue when you are experiencing strict drift on your PS5. We hope one of these methods have worked for you. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which solution solved your problem. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.